Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So OpenArt can be a powerful tool for creating motion graphics style videos, especially when you combine AI visuals with smart editing and animation techniques. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use OpenArt for motion graphics in 2026, even if you are a beginner. So first thing first, define your motion graphics style. Okay, so start with a clear direction, like choose style, minimal, 3D, abstract, futuristic. Okay, so colors and theme, also pop, like ads, explainer, social. Okay, so for example, you can start with minimal text style, dark background, neon accents. Okay, then generate visual assets in OpenArt, like open OpenArt's image or video generator. Okay, create elements like backgrounds, abstract shapes, icons, or object scenes. So for example, like you can like do this one, like this prompts. Okay, abstract fluid shapes, neon glow, dark background, or futuristic UI elements, clean design, minimal style. So think in elements, not full videos. Okay, so generate short motion clips, like use OpenArt's video generator, like with this. For example, this is just an example: smooth motion, abstract animation, flowing shapes, loopable. Okay, so keep clips short from 3 to 5 seconds, so these become animated layers. Import into editing software, like use CapCut, Adobe After Effects, or Premiere Pro. Okay, so this is where animation happens. Okay, and that's it guys. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.